Halo guys, ini namanya PowerPoint restoran dimana kita nanti malam akan mengadakan pesta kecil-kecilan aja ya, syukuran lah hitungannya, mumpung ada rezeki. Seperti ini guys, restoran buffetnya guys, berbintang 4, menyenangkan dan bisa memuaskan tamu-tamu. Dan kuitarnya ini guys, bonekanya itu tidak seperti normalnya boneka pernikahan. Ini bonekanya itu yang wanita menarik yang lelaki, karena saya dulu yang awalnya mengajak suami saya menikah, karena suami saya tidak berani menikah, jadi saya yang mengajak dan menarik guys.
Stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my
Okay. Now, this is on behalf of any other thank you for everybody who come here let's celebrate the 50th birthday of NEM 14 years anniversary. Now, let's sing together. Happy
Guys, harap maklum ya kalau fotonya saya itu dandannya tidak rapi dan tidak bermakeup tebal karena saya lagi sakit. Saya paksain diri karena sudah mengundang tamu-tamu, jadinya malam itu harus kita laksanakan dengan keadaan kepaksa. Saya dalam keadaan sakit juga sebenarnya, tapi setelah mengadakan pesta ini saya langsung tidur ngeblok guys, udah gak bisa bangun lagi guys, teler saya guys. Setidak-tidaknya guys, kalian bisa melihat foto yang ada di vlog ini pasti kalian kenal karena tidak akan jauh dari kalian semua, pasti kalian kenal semua dan saya tidak perlu lagi memperkenalkan. Inilah keluarga saya untuk kenang-kenangan untuk album saya di YouTube juga. Ya seperti itulah guys. Dan terima kasih sudah mau menonton vlog saya dan semoga terhibur dan mengobati kerinduan kalian juga yang belum pernah ketemu sama keluarga saya yang lain.